Hey guys, it's Jones with poolwarehouse.com, and today we're looking at the Tidal Wave pool slide. Now this is made by Global Pool Products. They make a fantastic lineup of slides and they are packed full of great features. To start off with, let's check out these handrails. They are great. If you've seen other slides out there, they do not have a robust system like this. This has a fantastic handrail that's great for adult hands and kids' hands. And you do have a great little lip that you can grab onto on the inside if you have just small hands, maybe for smaller children to grab onto if these are too big. Now I do love the tread system. There's nowhere for your feet to get stuck on the inside. Now when we get to the top of the slide, you've got this beautiful little panel door, and it's been embossed with Global Pool Products on it. And what that does is hides the connection from your 1-inch plumbing line to the flume. Now if you didn't get this, water does come out of this slide. It helps speed up the rider, keeps it cool for those hot summer days, but that's all nicely hidden right on the inside. Let's talk about the height of this slide. It is very, very tall, and I love that. You're looking at 7 foot 8 inches at the highest point. Now at the seat, you're at 6'5". Fantastic height for kids and adults, and it has a 275-pound weight limit. Perfect for a lot of folks in your family. Now, let's talk about the way it's delivered. It comes in 5 pieces. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all very easy to assemble. They bolt together. Definitely a very smart design in the way it is assembled. Another great feature I love is there's no exposed plumbing. If you've seen other slide videos on our site, you'll notice a lot of them have the plumbing exposed on the outside. All the plumbing is built in on the inside of this one. Aesthetically, it's probably one of the better looking slides that's out there. Okay, now we've gone ahead and flipped this slide over so we could show you the underneath section, where that opening is, where your plumbing stub comes up in. And if you can see, it's a pretty large opening, but what I like best is how big this base is. If you've made a mess around your concrete where that plumbing stub comes up, or if you want to hide all that, it's all easily covered by this base. And best of all those plumbing lines are running through the slide and aren't exposed on the outside. Now the slide does come in a left or right turn option, whichever's perfect for your backyard. If you have questions on the Tidal Wave slide or on any other slide, feel free to give us a call or visit poolwarehouse.com.